So good day guys, we have here another civil engineering board exam given last May 1996. So the problem states, what is the radius of the circle circumscribing an isosceles right triangle having an area of 162 square centimeter? So first we're going to draw the problem. So here the circle, and this one is the isosceles triangle. So when you say isosceles right triangle, it is two same sides. So this will be x, and then let's give this a designation as letter D. Okay. So given the area of the triangle, area is equal to 1/2 base times height. Okay. So therefore, area will be 1/2 of base is x, height is x. So that will be x squared. Okay. So therefore, area is equal to 162 square meters. So we replace this one with 162. Okay. And this one, the 1/2 of x squared. So therefore, x is equal to the square root of 162 times 2, cross multiply 162 times 2. Okay. So if we're going to square this one, therefore x sides will be 18 centimeter. Okay. So therefore, using Pythagorean theorem, so based on this diagram, the triangle, so therefore d squared is equal to x squared plus x squared. Okay. So d squared is equivalent to 2r squared is equal to x squared plus x squared. So x squared is 18 squared plus 18 squared. Okay. So therefore, 2r is equal to the square root of 2 times 18 squared. So therefore, simplify this one, r is equal to 12.73 centimeter. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, thank you.